Hi, I'm Dr. Tyler Tolbert with Smile Now Dentures and Implants. One of the best ways to make your recovery smooth and comfortable is to prepare a few things at home before your surgery. A little planning ahead can make the first few days much easier and help you focus on healing. Soft foods and drinks. After surgery, you'll be on a soft diet for a period of time, so it's helpful to have foods ready in advance. Good options to prepare include smoothies or protein shakes, yogurt, pudding, or applesauce, mashed potatoes or soft pasta, scrambled eggs, soups that have been cooled to warm, not hot temperatures. Having these ready ahead of time means you won't have to cook or shop while you're recovering. Cold smoothies and hydration. Cold smoothies are especially helpful during the first couple of days. They're easy to consume, soothing to the tissues, and a good way to stay hydrated and maintain nutrition. Ice packs and swelling control. Ice packs are one of the most effective ways to reduce swelling and discomfort during the first 24 to 48 hours. We recommend having several ice packs available so you can rotate them while others are refreezing. Bleeding control supplies. It's normal to have some minor oozing after surgery. Having a few moist tea bags at home can be helpful if needed, since the tannins in tea can help support clotting. Gauze will also be provided, but it's good to be prepared. Many patients also like to use a gentle rinse such as Stella Life or another doctor-recommended rinse to help keep the surgical area clean and comfortable. Be sure to follow the specific instructions we provide about when to begin rinsing. Sleeping comfort and positioning. For the first few nights, sleeping with your head elevated helps reduce swelling and improve comfort. You may find it helpful to prepare extra pillows, a wedge pillow, or a recliner if you have one. Setting this up ahead of time makes it easier to rest when you get home. Create a recovery area. Many patients find it helpful to set up a small recovery area before surgery with water or electrolyte drinks, medications and instructions, ice packs, soft foods or snacks, phone chargers, books, or a remote control. This way, everything you need is within reach and you don't have to get up to get things. Some additional items patients often find helpful include lip balm to prevent dry lips, a small towel to place over the pillows the first night, a thermometer if you like to monitor your temperature, comfortable, loose clothing for the first day of surgery. Preparing ahead of time helps reduce stress and makes your recovery more comfortable. If you have any questions about what to expect or how to prepare, our team is always ready to help. Smile Now Dental Group, helping you heal comfortably and confidently.